Hi everybody, I am going to discuss 2013 MCQ solution. Subject is computer architecture. For BCA second sem under McAvoot University. The first question: gray code for decimal 12 is. Gray code for decimal 12 is 12 decimal, the number 12, that is the decimal number. We need to convert it into binary. We know that 8421 is the code 1100, and the corresponding binary is 1100. And the rule for gray code, the first bit is copied and the next surrounding bit XOR operation 0110 011 000. Answer is 1010. So option A was 101100, option B was 1011, option C was 1010, option D is 0100, and the answer is C. So C is the correct answer. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Nines complement of 46 is option A 54, option B 64, option C 63, option D 53. 46, the two-digit number 99 minus 46, that is equal to 35. Answer is 53. So option is D. Option D is the correct answer. Next one is question number 3. BCD numbers express each decimal digit as option A byte, option B nibble, option C bit, option D ASCII. Answer is nibble, because nibble is a 4-bit. Question number 4. A microprocessor has memory location. Microprocessor memory location from 00000 to 7FFFF. Each location can store 1 byte. So how much memory is required? Option A is 8K, option B is 16K, option C is 24K, option D is 32K. This is an hexadecimal number. We need to convert it into binary decimal number. 8 means 15, 15 into 6 to the power 0, plus 15 into 6 to the power 1, plus 15 into 6 to the power 2, plus 7 into 6 to the power, that is equal to plus 7 into 6 to the power 3. And the answer is this is equal to plus 15, this is equal to 1240. This you need to calculate this equal to 16 into 16. Now we need to calculate this one, and this is equal to, after calculating we get 3840. Then 16 into 16 into 16, 16 into 16 into 16, and then multiplied with 7, we get the value is that is equal to 28672. And after adding those numbers, 28672 plus 3840 plus 240 plus 15 equal to, we get 32,768. That is equal to 32K. Answer is D. So you can calculate any memory locations. These 7 can be 3 or 5. Just multiply squaring and multiply those numbers. Then after multiplications we will get the addition and we get the result. Then the question number 5. Computer registers are designated by option A capital letter, option B both capital and small letter, option C numeral, option D small letter. Correct answer is capital letter. The computer is designated by capital letter. Option Question number 6. The transfer operation P such that R1 is transferred to R2 will be executed only when option A P equal to 0, option B P equal to 1, option C P greater than 0, option D P less than 1. Answer is P equal to 1. When P equal to 1, R1, the value of R1 will be transferred to R2. This is transfer micro operation. Next, question number 8. Both selective complement and clear operator are achieved by micro operation. Option A OR gate, option B AND, option C NOT, option D XOR. Both selective complement and clear operation is achieved by micro operation NOT. Next, question number 9. A logical shift is one that transfer through serial input. Option A 0, option B 1, option C either 0 or 1, option D both 0 and 1. Both and 0 and 1 can be transferred. So question number 9. Next question. A computer instruction is a code. Option A hexadecimal, option B decimal, option C binary, option D octal. And the answer is definitely this is binary number. Next one is DMA. DMA stand for, it is a well-known question, that is direct memory access. Answer is direct memory access. The option is B. Next, this is the last question. The basic computer consists of dash type of registers. Option A 6, option B 8, option C 9, option D 18. Answer is 8. The computer consists of 8 types of registers, and the registers are, this is registers, 8 types of registers and the operation. And the registers are option 8 register. Number 1 is DIR, that is data register. Hold memory operand, it is used to holds memory operand. It is used to hold memory operand. This is number 1. Number 2, AR, that is address register. It holds address. For memory. Number 3, there are 8 types of number 2, 3. IR, instruction register. This is the third register, instruction register, that hold instruction code. It hold instruction code. This is instruction register. It hold instruction code. This is the third register. And the fourth one, AC, that is accumulator. It holds processor registers. This is a processor register. It is hold result. This is a processor register. Next, number 5, PC, program counter. These are the different 8 type of register. Program counter, it hold address of instruction. Hold address of instruction. It holds address of instructions. Next, 6, NPR, that is input. INPR mean input registers, hold input data. Number 7, output register. OUPT, output registers, that is output registers. It hold the output data, output character. And last one is 8, temporary register, that is used to hold temporary value, temporary registers. So there are 8 registers in basic computer system. This is the end of the 2013 question paper solution, MCQ solution.